In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can select records and show them in our views. We'll also see how we can filter and select specific records. So first of all, as you can see, we have 4 courses over here in our table courses. What we'll be doing next is, in our user controller, where we earlier made use of app bakery as courses, now we'll be making use of app courses as courses. And then you can see over here in our constructor, we were passing the reference courses, and then we're calling this method all. Now if you go and take a look at the courses model over here, it's not having any piece of code, but still when you'll call this all on this instance, it will return you all the courses that are present in the courses table that I just showed you over here. Now once we have all these courses, we are simply assigning them to this response array course and then sending it to the contents.courses view. Now if I open up this contents.courses, which is inside the views contents directory, courses.blade.php is the file name, and here you'll notice that instead of just passing title, now we are talking about title and then the name of the column. So title is the course and course name, and the same goes over here as well, title course name. I just kept the variable title as is, it was in the earlier lecture, but you can get the idea over here that we are now getting the name of the course from this item. So when I will execute this, you'll notice that we are just showing the names of the courses: Cosmos DB, Laravel, Master JavaScript, Learn Kotlin. All these are coming from our table courses. Now if you have to filter records, then there is a method called find. So for that, I'll take you to our content controller, and here you'll notice that we have the same constructor as we had over here in user controller. We're making use of the courses model, and inside the show method where we are passing course ID, you'll note that we have this courses find method. Now this find method automatically goes and finds stuff based on IDs, which are usually the primary keys. So here our ID is course ID, and if I pass 1, 2, 3, 4, accordingly I'll get the course name. Like if I pass 1, I'll get the course name as Cosmos DB. So here when I make use of this courses find method and pass the course ID, it will basically return me that particular row as course data array. Now using this array item, I can pass the course name, as you can see over here. So course data and then the course name. That will get assigned to this course variable, and inside contents.page, here you'll notice we are just printing the course as is. So if I pass this course ID 1, you can see I'm getting Cosmos DB. If I pass course ID as 2, the response will show Laravel SB. So that is how we can select data, filter data. Obviously there are more ways of filtering the data based on other criteria, which we will be covering in upcoming lectures.